Hello students, hi everyone. Once again welcome to my channel Competitive Maths by Biology. Yes, today we are going to do part 11 of linear equation in one variable. Is about remaining questions of exercise 2.4. Okay, yes. Seventh question. In 5 years time, Reshma will be 3 times old as she was 9 years ago. How old is she now? Yes. In 5 years time, that means after 5 years, Reshma will be 3 times old as she was 9 years ago. Then we have to find how old is she now. That means present age of Reshma. We have to find present age of the Reshma. To know after 5 years age and age 9 years ago, we have to come to know present age of Reshma. So that let the present age of Reshma is x years is equal to x years. Since her present age is unknown quantity and unknown quantity is denoted by variable x. So consider a table. The table is about ages of Reshma in different times. Present age, and age after 5 years, age 9 years ago, age 9 years ago. Let us make a table of ages of Reshma in different time period. Okay, yes, we know that our assumption is the present age of Reshma is x years. So age 9 years ago means her age will be 9 less than the present age. Yes, present age is x, 9 years ago age is x minus 9 years. And present age of Reshma is x years, age after 5 years will be x plus 5 years. Now, according to the question, it is given that in 5 years time, that is age after 5 years of Reshma will be 3 times old as she was 9 years ago. That is, according to question, it is given that age after 5 years or in 5 years time, age of Reshma will be x plus 5 years, which is 3 times of as she was 9 years ago age. That is 9 years ago age is x minus 9. Both are equal. That is, after 5 years age of Reshma is thrice the 9 years ago age. X plus 5, which is equal. Now distribute 3 to x and then 9. 3 into x, 3x minus 3 nines are 27. Now transpose plus x to RHS minus 27 to LHS. We get 5 minus 27 will become plus 27, which is equal to 3x plus x will become minus x. 27 plus 5, that is 32, is equal to 3x minus x, that is 2x. 32 by 2 equal what? X. 2 1s are 2, 16s are 32. So 16 by 1, nothing but 16, which is equal to x. So that is, what is our x? X is the present age of Reshma. Therefore, the present age of Reshma equal, that is actually x years. Now substitute the x value is 16. So present age of Reshma is 16 years. Okay. Next question, eighth one, very important question. A town's population increased by 1200 people and this new population decreased 11%. Okay. The town now had 32 less people than it did before the 1200 increase. Find the original population. Yes. We have to find initial population or original population of the town before it did increase 200 people. Yes. Original population of the town is unknown quantity. So that let the original population of the town be X people. Okay. Then there is an increase in population, that is 1200. That is new population. Then new population of the town is, since the population increased by 1200, so original population X plus increased population 1200, that is the new population of the town is equal to X plus 1200. We know that everything itself is a 100%. For example, the length of this marker is 100%, is taken as 100%. Since 100% is nothing but 100 out of 100, 100 by 100, that is 1. So, we can assume that the new population of the town will be 100%. That is, X plus 200 is 100% new population of the town. Now, then this new population, that is, this 100% population decreased by 11%. Since the population of the town decreased by 11%. Therefore, the final population of the town will be equal to, since it is 100% of new population of town and this 100% new population decreased by 11%. So remaining our final population of the town is 89% of X plus 1200. Okay. This is 100% population. From the 100% population, the population decreased by 11%. So remaining population, our final population of the town will become 89% of X plus 1200. That is, remove the percentage symbol, we get 100 at denominator times of X plus 1200. So this is the final population of the town. In the question it is given that the town now had 32 less people than it did before the 1200 increase. Before 1200 increase, the population of the town is X. And the population of the town now is 32 less than this X. So, according to question, this final population 89 by 100 of X plus 1200, this is final population of the town or population of the town now, is equal to 32 less than the X, that is X minus 32. Okay. Now distribute 89 to X, then 1200 and transpose denominator 100 from LHS to RHS. What we get? Let us see. 89 times of x, that is 89x, plus 89 into 1200, 89 into 1200, which is equal. If we transpose denominator quantity to RHS, it would become multiply quantity. So 100 times of x minus 32. That is 89x plus multiply 89 and 12. See here, 89 into 12. 12 nines are 108. 10 is carried forwarded, 8 is dropped. 12 eights are 96 plus 10, 106. So 89 into 12 is 1068 and we have a 2 zeros here. So that is 1,06,800, which is equal to 100 into x, 100x minus 100 into 32, 3200. Now transpose plus 89 to RHS and transpose minus 3200 to LHS. Keep 1,06,800 in LHS. If we transpose minus 3200 to LHS, we get plus 3200, which is equal to, keep 100x in RHS side. If we transpose plus 89x to RHS, we get minus 89x. That is, add these two, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 2 plus 8, 10, 1 carry, 1 plus 3, 4 plus 6, 10, 1 carry, 1 plus 0, 1 and 1. That is 1,10,000 equal 100 minus 89, that is 11x. 11 ones are 11, remaining are all are zeros. So we have x equal what? 10,000. X equal what? 10,000. What is x actually? That is original population of the town. The original population of the town is x people, but x is 10,000. That is 10,000 people. Okay. Next question and last question of exercise 2.4, that is 9th one. A man on his way to dinner shortly after 6 p.m. observes that the hands of his watch form an angle of 110 degree. Returning before 7 p.m., he notices that again the hands of his watch form an angle of 110 degree. Find the number of minutes that he has been away for his dinner. Okay, let us see the solution. A man, just before going to his dinner, he looks at his watch and observes an angle of 110 degree between hour's hand and minute hand. He had the dinner and while coming back, again he looks at his watch and observes an angle of 110 degree between hour's hand and minute's hand. Now we have to find out how much time he has been away for his dinner. Okay? Yes. Suppose, let us consider a simple watch. A man on his way to dinner shortly after 6 p.m. He goes after 6 p.m. Suppose hour hand. Suppose this is hour hand. This is at the initial position of hour hand is HA. Let us suppose that initial position of hour hand is HA. And consider a minute hand. Suppose minute hand is at MA. That is initial position of minute hand is at MA. The man on his way to dinner shortly after 6 p.m. and observes that the hands of his watch form an angle 110 degree. That is, the angle between hour hand and a minute hand is 110 degree. He had the dinner and while returning before 7 p.m. He returned before 7 p.m. Suppose 7 p.m. This is about 7. Okay. He returns before 7 p.m. that is close to 7. Let us suppose it is hour hand. Position of hour hand after completing the dinner, that is HB. Let us suppose position of hour hand after he had the dinner is HB. And let us suppose, consider the position of minute hand. The position of minute hand after he had the dinner is MB. Okay. So again he looks at his watch and the hands of clock forms another 110 degree. Okay. And suppose that the hour hand moves from HA to HB, it covers X degree angle. It covers X degree angle. Yes, that is solution. Let hour hand moves from HA to HB. Okay, hour hand moves from HA to HB. In the same time, minute hand moves from MA to MB. Okay, let to move from HA to HB, hour hand makes X degree angle. Okay, and minute hand moves from MA to MB, that is to move from MA to MB, minute hand makes to move MA to MB, minute hand makes 110 degree plus X degree plus 110 degree. That is 220, 110 plus 110, 220 plus X degree angle. Yes. Now, this is the information given in the question. But this information is in terms of degrees. But we have to find the number of minutes that the person has been away for his dinner. So, to find the answer in minutes, we have to find a relation between degrees and minutes. We have to find a relation between degrees and minutes. For that, let us consider a simple concept. Okay? Okay? Yes. Suppose minute hand is at 12 and it is moving from the 12 and completes one rotation and come back to again at 12. That means minute hand completes one rotation. That means the time elapsed by the minute hand is 1 hour. That is in 60 minutes. Okay. To complete one rotation, the time elapsed by minute hand is 60 minutes. And one rotation means it is 360 degrees. That is, to move 360 degree angle, the time elapsed by minute hand is 60 minutes. It is about minute hand. But we have to find To move 1 degree angle, the time elapsed by minute hand is how much? To do this, divide both sides by 360. 360 by 360, that is 1 degree. 0, 0, 6 ones are 6 6 are. That is, to move 1 degree angle, the time elapsed by the minute hand is 1 by 6th of its minute. 1 by 6th of minute. Now, hour hand. About hour hand. Suppose hour hand is at 12 and it is moving from 12 and completes one rotation. That means in one rotation the time elapsed by hour hand is 12 hours. The time elapsed by the hour hand is 12 hours and it completes one rotation, so it moves 360 degree. Since one complete rotation, that is equal to 360 degrees. Okay? Yes. To move 360 degree angle, the time elapsed by hour hand is 12 hours. But we have to find to move 1 degree angle, the time elapsed by hour hand is how much? And this time must be in minutes. So convert it. 12 hours nothing but 12 into 60 minutes. So divide 360 on both sides. Divide by 360 on both sides. That is 360 by 360 1 degree. 0 0. 12 ones are 12 threes are. 3 ones are 3 twos are. Yes. To move 1 degree angle. To move 1 degree angle, hour hand covers 2 minutes. Okay? Yes. This is the information we need to know to solve this question. By using this information, let us see the solution of 9th question. Yes. To move 1 degree angle, hour hand covers 2 minutes. But hour hand moves by x degree. Therefore, to move x degree angle, hour hand covers how many minutes? Since to move 1 degree angle, it covers 2 minutes. To move x degree angle, it covers 2x minutes. Yes. This is the time. Therefore, the time taken by the person for his dinner is 2x minutes. Now we have to find the x value. Similarly, to move 220 plus x degree angle, 220 plus x degree angle, minute hand covers how many minutes? Since to move 1 degree angle, minute hand covers 1 by 6th of minute, so that to move 220 plus x degree angle, minute hand covers 1 by 6th of 220 plus x minutes. But when minute hand moved from MA to MB, hour hand moves from HA to HB. And the time elapsed by minute hand is equal to time elapsed by hour hand. Therefore, the time elapsed by hour hand is 2x minutes, which is equal to the time elapsed by minute hand, that is 1 by 6th of 220 plus x. Okay? Yes. Transpose denominator 6 from RHS to LHS, we get 6 2s are 12x. 12x equal 1 into 220 plus x, that is 220 plus x. transpose plus x from RHS to LHS, we get 12x minus x, that is 11x, which is equal to 20. X equal to what? 220 by 11. That is 11 ones are 11 20s are. X is equal to what? 20. Now we have to find number of minutes that he has been away for his dinner. That is, the time taken by the person for his dinner is 2x minutes. Therefore, the time taken by the person for his dinner is equal to 2x minutes. Is equal to what? 2x minutes. Substitute the x value. We get x as 20. So write down x equal to 20. That is twice the 20 is 40 minutes. Okay. Yes. That is the number of minutes the person has been away for his dinner is 40 minutes. Okay. Yes. This is a good quality question. Okay, students. This completes the part 11 of linear equation in one variable. Okay. Have a nice day.